Hi, I'm Helen Cross, the Health Engineer. I had the pleasure of partnering with NIB to run an interactive workshop with the NIB Blues. The key topics we covered off with the team were sleep, recovery and stress management. These issues are important for them as women and as athletes, and in fact for all of us.
Listening to Helen, I felt really engaged in what she was teaching us and showing us.
Hearing it from someone who knows what they're talking about was very empowering.
My top tips for optimal sleep are to prioritise sleep. Go to bed at the same time, get up at the same time, try to stop eating a couple of hours before you go to sleep.
For me personally was trying to figure out how I could cater that to my lifestyle, making sure that dinner is prepared before I go off to training so that then when I get home it's sort of dinner straight away, and then it means that I have a big enough gap before I go to bed so that I've actually digested my food well and can have a good night's sleep after that.
My top tips for recovery are to think about recovery even before the event. Think about things like hydration 3 days before an event, not afterwards. Let's think about our nutrition, whole foods, vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats.
NIB have been amazing for us. They've been so supportive and have been so present.
Not even just this wellness workshop, their recovery tools, the rest techniques and strategies.
So the scholarships that they have on offer help our players with their well-being. Really exciting, and it's been really cool to see how much they value us and see how much they want to support us and to make us better players, but also better people as well.
It's big for us girls. I almost cried there.